If you believe hiccups mean someone is missing you, then this video is for you. Let's dive into the age-old myths and scientific facts about hiccups. Some say hiccups mean someone is thinking of you. Others claim it's a sign of bad luck or even a curse. But what does science have to say? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts. That's right, it's just a muscle spasm. Eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even sudden excitement can trigger them. So while it's fun to imagine your hiccups as a sign from the universe, the true cause is usually something much simpler. Next time you hiccup, don't worry about curses or secret admirers. Just take a deep breath and maybe lay off the soda. Subscribe for more myth-busting fun.